Hello, I'm John Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you how to burp. First of all, get your sparkling water. Then you stir it up. And then you burp. Oh, that came out the wrong end. I'm sorry. Let me try it again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Yeah. That's how you burp with John Chris.